to remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket. Take these lug studs out. When you go to take the last one out, you might want to hold the wheel so it doesn't fall. And slide it off. Using some needle nose pliers, I'm just going to grab the pad sensor and slide it up. There's a little clip right there that goes on that. And just slide this out of the way. You can take this off the bleeder. There's a clip right here. Just use a pry bar. Just pry this clip off. You can also use some pliers. Take that off. There's a couple caps covering where the slides are, where the bolts are. Just take those off. Use a screwdriver if you need to, or a pick. Take a 7mm Allen socket. Loosen up the bolts for the caliper. And just take a pry bar, just pry the caliper over a little bit so it's easier to remove. Make sure the bolts are out. And slide that off. You can take the brake pads off. Slide those out. And take a brake caliper hanger and slide it on the coil spring or wherever you can hang it from, just so there's no tension on the brake hose. Now take these two bolts out. Use a 16mm socket. Take those out and slide the bracket off. Take this screw out, use a 6mm Allen socket. Slide that out. And take a hammer, just give the rotor a tap. And slide the rotor off. Just take a wire brush and you want to clean up the hub surface if there's any rust on there or corrosion. I'll do a nice thin coat of anti-seize just on the hub surface. Before I put the rotor on, I just want to take some brake parts cleaner, clean the back side, then wipe it down with a rag. And then I'll do the same on the other side. And wipe it down with a rag. Now install the rotor on the car. If you have to adjust the parking brake, you can use the adjuster right there if you have to tighten or loosen it. Get that lined up. You want it just barely touching. Then put this screw in. Making sure this is flat. And snug it down. Now I'm just going to clean the bracket up. Use a wire brush. Put a thin coat of grease on the pad where the pads are going to slide. Same on this side. Slide the bracket over the rotor and put the bolts back in. Get those started. And torque these to 48 foot-pounds. Now take the brake hanger off the caliper. You want to use a caliper compressing tool. Nice and slow, compress the caliper. Take the brake pads. This one goes on the outside, the one with the bracket on it goes into the piston, just like that. Before we put this on, just take these slide pins out and just clean the pin up. Use some brake parts cleaner and a rag, wipe it down. Take a little brake caliper grease, grease up the pin, and do the same on the other one. Slide that in position. Now torque these to 22 foot-pounds. Put these covers on and put the bracket on. Kind of get it in place and just push it on. You can use pliers if you need to. Now line the brake pad sensor up with the brake pads. Push it in and secure it around the bleeder screw. Put the wheel on. Get the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. I'll go around again, double check.